Today we will discuss constants in C. Constants in C refer to a fixed value that do not change during the execution of a program. There are two types of constants in C. The first is primary constants, second is secondary constants. In primary constants, we are having three types of constants: integer constant, real constant, and character constant. In secondary constants, we are having array, pointers, structure, union, etc. First we will discuss primary constants. There are some rules for constructing constants in C. First we will discuss the rules for constructing integer constants. The first rule is an integer constant must have at least one digit. The second rule is it must not have a decimal point. Third is it can be either positive or negative. Fourth is default sign is positive. Fifth rule is the allowable range for integer constant is from -32768 to +32767. And the last rule is no commas or blanks are allowed. For example, 426 plus 782 minus 8000. These are the examples of integer constants in C. Next comes rules for constructing real constants. Rules for constructing real constants are same as we have discussed in integer constants, except one, that it must have a decimal point. For example, plus 325.34 minus 32.76 426.0. These are the examples of real constants in C. Next we will discuss rules for constructing character constants. First rule is that a character constant is a single alphabet, a single digit, or a single special symbol enclosed within a single inverted commas. Example of single alphabet is capital A enclosed within a inverted commas. Similarly, example of single digit is 5 enclosed within a inverted commas, and example of special symbol is equal enclosed within a inverted commas. The second rule for constructing character constant is that the maximum length can be of one character. These are the rules for constructing character constant. The next topic is variables. An entity that may vary, or you can say that do not change during the program execution, is a variable. In any program, we do lots of calculations, and the result of these calculations are stored in computer memory. For example, when we write x is equal to 3, here 3 is stored in a memory location and a name x is given to it. 3 is stored in a memory location and x is a name that is given to it. Then we have assigned a new value 5 to the same memory location x. This would overwrite the earlier value 3, since a memory location can hold only one value at a time. The location whose name is x can hold different values at different times. That's why x is known as a variable. And 3 or 5 do not change, so they are known as constants. Next is the type of variables. Types of variables that it can support totally depend upon the types of constants An integer variable can hold only an integer constant. A real variable can hold only a real constant, and similarly a character variable can hold only a character constant. Now there are some rules for constructing variable names also. First rule is that a variable name is a combination of 1 to 31 alphabets, digits or underscore. Second rule is the first character in the variable name must be an alphabet or underscore. Third one is no commas or blanks are allowed within a variable name. Fourth rule is no special symbol other than underscore can be used in a variable name. For example, si underscore int or t underscore si. These are the example of variable names used in C. For constructing variable names of all types, the same set of rules are applied. Thank you.